ushers to the rescue.
The ghost notes got me tangled up!
Get rid of these ghost notes so I can perform!
Looks like we're gonna have a full house for the show.
You'll be back!
Thank you, Lord. The ghost notes have been returned to where they belong. I think.